inside Target. I'll show you the deals starting August 11th. And there I have a spend 83 times, get $25. Also, I'm trying to hit my weekend warrior of $5, which I did. And then there's a spend 50, get $15 back on household items. I wanted to mention this because I'm always on the lookout for deals on protein items. These are not on sale at Target, but they're $6.99 and there's a $2.50 Ibotta rebate and the limit is 3. So it brings it down to $4.49. There's a small deal on the Liquid IV. It's $14.99, buy one, get one, 25% off. And if you get a regular one and a sugar-free one, both of those have a $1.50 coupon attaching. So after the $3 in digital coupons, it ends up being $23.23. So it's about $11.50 each, which is about 23% off. You can get a good deal on the larger Purell this week, the 24 ounce. It's $5.99. There's a $2 coupon within the Target Circle app, and then the $2 rebate on Ibotta attached. So it's $1.99 after the coupon and the Ibotta rebate. And there's 3 to choose from. I got the green one, which is the soothing gel. I definitely know that attaches to the Ibotta rebate. So I wanted to try this deal out, and it partially worked. So I put 4 of these in my online cart before I went to the store. And I saw that 2 rebates or 2 discounts were attaching to them. Buy 3 and get 1 free, and then buy 4 and get a $5 Target gift card on personal items. And I personally use Mousse. So 4 of these were $15.96, and I didn't see that the 4th one was coming off in the app. But I did see that it was giving me the $5 gift card. And then I saw on Fetch that there's money back for up to 2 times, and it's for the 1.6 ounce or less is excluded. This was 2 ounces. So I thought I'd try to see if this would work. But I did get the $5 gift card. I didn't get the 4th one free, and I did not get the Fetch rebate back. So just so you know, this is what I ended up paying, what's on the screen, and it ends up being $10.96 for 4 of these. It's a little bit more than I wanted to pay, but I did want to try the deal out to see what would happen. So now I'll show you what I got in my spend 50, get a $15 Target Circle gift card. So first, I love the Windex. I like stocking up on this. They're $3.99. They're included in the deal. And I thought I'd use a $1 coupon from coupons.com. Well, those 2, I printed 2 of them. They did not work. They said that those coupons were not accepted here, and I went through self-checkout. So I ended up paying $7.98 for 2 bottles. Next item that I grabbed was the Wet and Dry Swiffer. It was $14.49. There's a $5 digital coupon within the Target Circle app, leaving it to be $9.49. The next item on my list was this Mr. Clean floor cleaner. It's $5.99. There's a $2 digital coupon within the Target Circle app, leaving it to be $3.99. But they had 2 scents to choose from. One was an Unstoppable Clean Fresh, which is the one I picked. I can't wait to use it. And then there's a Febreze Meadow and Rains. Then I got the Palmolive. That's $3.19. That attaches to the $1.50 rebate back on Ibotta, leaving it to be $1.69. Then I grabbed the All Free and Clear. It's $11.99, and it attaches to a $3 Ibotta rebate, leaving it to be $8.99. I tried to find some of the other sizes or scents, but it looks like this Target is eliminating some of those and simplifying the selection. Then I grabbed the Febreze Car Freshener Double Pack for $6.49. There's a $2.30 digital coupon within the app, leaving it to be $4.19. I heard these are good for the dorm rooms. You can put them on the vents. And there's some new limited edition scents like the salted caramel, baked cinnamon apples, and cranberry crumble. Looks like they're getting ready for the fall. So that's the end of my spend 50, get a $15 gift card, but these are some TV dinners or frozen dinners that are high protein or healthy choice that are on sale this week. I didn't see any coupons that go along with them, but thought I'd point them out. I wanted to grab these because there's an Ibotta rebate and there's less fat in these chicken nuggets. They're $5.99 on sale, so $11.98 for two. There's a $3 Ibotta rebate when you buy two, making it $8.98, or about $4.50 each. These fig bars are on sale, 2 for $7, and there's $1.25 back on Ibotta each, so you get $2.50 back, leaving it to be $4.50 or $2.25 each, was an excellent savings. And just to be clear, I got one of each flavor, and Ibotta didn't pick up one of them, so it asks you to scan the one that's missing. And when you scan one of them, they think that one was already captured, so you don't know which one the receipt captured. So they rejected it the first time. Now I'm doing it a second time, and I scanned the other box. If that happens, then I'll just dispute it through the submit a comment, and hopefully someone at customer service can help me. But I wanted to let you know in case you go through the same thing, and to make it easier, you could get two of the same flavor. This way it goes through with no problem. So I've been dorm shopping for my son, and that's what led me to get two of the check marks on my bonuses. So I wanted to show you within the app, if you scroll down and you see this green section here, students can save 20% on one day, one shopping trip. If you click in on that, you're going to be able to and you can see it tells you all about the 20% discount that a student can get. Now, you need to be able to validate that your student is a student in the upcoming semester. So you would go into this section, and this is just telling you how to submit your validation, that scroll bar there that I'm scrolling through. So it gives you the 3 steps you need to take. And when you get in there, you're going to click on it, and it's going to say, enter your student's name, what college are they going to, what semester are they entering in, and are they dorming at the college. And then you'll hit enter. It'll ask you to validate that information and upload a document. I uploaded the semester bill, and then right after that, it took some time to validate, and I got this confirmation within my Target Circle app that 20% off one store-wide purchase because you have a verified student. So if this is the case with you and your family, go ahead and take advantage of this. It definitely helps when shopping for all this stuff that you have to grab for the upcoming semester. I hope you found this video helpful and you were able to take away some tips to help you save on everyday items. Give me a like and subscribe, and I hope you come back for the next video. Thank you and have a great day.
Good.